going on, you guys? I'm the chart guy here with Unbroken Mindset. I just want to throw this little crypto coin at you, man. It's going to be, I think it has the possibilities of being a great project. It's Apecoin. It's connected to the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Man, it has a lot of potential. So let's get into it here real quick. So now the one thing that I like to look at when I'm looking at my crypto projects, first things first, I must always check what the max supply is. So right here, the max supply is 1 billion. They got about 1 billion in max supply. The second thing that I'm going to check is I want to see how many people are holding this coin. Then I want to go and see how many people are on their community, in their community, because that's the best thing that when you're researching projects that you want to get into, that's really what you want to see. We all know Bored Ape Yacht Club is big, but hey, just to give you guys what I would do as I'm looking at the coin, I'm gonna show you. So they got about 232,000 followers on their Twitter. The next thing that I would do is I would definitely fall into their Discord if they have one, see how the developers are interacting with the community, see how the community is interacting with each other, because at that point, it lets you know that this is a great project. Now, the next thing that I'm going to check is I'm going to go to the Etherscan. And the Etherscan is going to show me how many holders are in this coin. So right now you have about 36,421 holders in this coin. So as I look at the holders, I just want to make sure nobody's, top heavy or whatever. So as I look at the top wallet, and this is the smart contract wallet, which has a quantity of 17 million coins. But for the most part, all of the other wallets are pretty much even, 5 million, probably less depending on how many Bored Ape NFTs you held. They were supposed to give you an airdrop. So that's the next thing that I'm going to look at. Then when I go to that, I'm going to go to their website. I'm going to check out their website and see, what it's about, what they have going on. This is one thing that was already in the makes in the coming, because if you followed the Bored Ape Yacht Club, they said that they were going to do their own coin. So we was already kind of expecting this, right? So the first thing I'm going to go to is I'm going to see, okay, it's a DAO. So depending on how many coins that you hold, you're going to be able to vote on the board members. So a DAO is nothing but a community-owned coin, and then your votes count depending on how much of that asset that you hold of the Apecoin. So right now you got Alex Ohanian, which is the Reddit creator, and Serena Williams, his husband. Yeah, he's one of the guys that's on the board. So after 6 months, this board is going to change because the DAO members will be able to vote, and it says it right here. After which DAO members will vote annually on board members. So these first initial 6 months, these guys here are going to be in control. Another thing that I like to see is that they are doxed, so it's giving you their real names, and you can go look these people up and research them, see if they're part of scams or anything like that, because that's another thing that you absolutely want to do when it comes to looking into these coins. Then the second thing after that, I want to see how their coins are going to be allocated. What's going to happen, what we call tokenomics. So as you can see here, 62% is going to go to the ecosystem fund. 62% is going to go to Yoga Labs and the charity of their choosing, right? The 14% is going to go to launch contributors, and that's the companies who help get the Apecoin off the ground. And then the last thing is going to go, the 8% is going to go to the Bored Ape Yacht Club founders. So I definitely like the tokenomics. It's spread out pretty good. It's pretty cut and dry. So this is one of the things that I definitely like about this coin. And then the most impressive thing I like about this coin, you can actually get this coin here on Coinbase. So you don't have to go through all those other exchanges and funnels and different funnels to get it into your wallet. You can go right here to Coinbase and pick this coin up. Ape Yacht Club, Apecoin is at $12.87. This is a good price to dollar cost average on it. Hey, as it falls, start accumulating. And if you can afford it, hey, buy you some whole coins. But if you can't, hey, I throw about $5, $10 on it. I think this has the potential to be a really, really big project. So I definitely will get involved into that. So and another thing that I like that's so impressive about this project is these guys are going to be starting their own metaverse. So let me show you this. And if I'm not mistaken, the metaverse land is going to be starting at around 1 Ethereum. So this project can definitely give Sand and Decentraland really a run for their money. So I definitely, if I was you guys, I would take a look at this Apecoin because this is serious. This is a great project. It has a lot of potential. It has some good backing, and I definitely would take a look at it. So I'm Mo the Chart Guy, founder of Unbroken Mindset. Remember, you deserve nothing, but you earn everything.